My husband decided that he's going to start a new business, and he's going to name it LBJ Property Solutions, LLC. So I'm going to go to the state, I think it's Cooperation Commission website, SEC website. I know that's the abbreviation for it. Yes, State Cooperation Commission website, where we're going to have to create an account for him, and then we're going to create his business where he can have his article of organization. We live in Virginia, so we have to go to the State Cooperation Commission website or the SEC website, and I need to click on create a new business, which is this link right here. All right, then it's open up here, and then that's where we are going to click on the file online. Click on this button right here. Start putting information. For the name, we have to create an account first. So once we create an account, and then we can go and put in the name of the business and everything, and do the search, see if somebody else had that name, if they would accept it. Create an account, we have to click on register, that register link right there, and then it brings over giving you the terms and condition, which have to be read, and then you start to put in your information there, your personal information. Put in your email address, you make up a username and password. You're going to have to click to acknowledge that you know you're about to send it. That time they will send a passcode to your cell phone number that you provided, and you have 5 minutes to submit that code. So once you create your account, it's going to bring you here to your dashboard, and then after that you need to go and put in a business name and see if it is approved. So I created an account. I clicked here on online services, and you see this menu tab appear here on the side over here, and I'm going to click on new business. See, it's already selected where's the Virginia entity, because that's where the location of the business will be. So from that, you're going to have to decide what type of business you want to have. I thought it used to have sole proprietor. Look like limited liability is the only one that a person would have that's working by themselves, for a small business and without a partner. I'm going to select the article of organization and not the professional LLC. And then from that, it comes over here. See, it's saying for the article organization, let me know that there's going to be a $100 fee. Over here, then we just go through and read the information, and down the bottom it is going to allow type in the name of my entity or the name of the business. So guys, this business will be for my husband. You see the name of his business he wants is LBJ Property Solution, and we're going to check the availability of it, see if it would be approved. If the business name is not approved, then another name will have to be selected. Okay, so it said designation is required. So once we clicked on the designation is required, we can come over here. It wants to check the name availability of the business. And so we can click on that and see. So once we put the name in, you see, it says that the name is distinguishable for their records. And then we can go ahead and log in to create the new entity name. It's LBJ Property Solutions, LLC. And there is a fee of $100 for everyone in the state of Virginia. So now we have to put in the email address and other information For your business type, you see in the drop down, you have these 4 selections. For us, we're going to click on general because my husband is not opening up an insurance, mortgage, or a religious facility, a religious institution or church. Once you put in your information for registered RA, registered agent or RA, put in the this is where you have to put in your address of your office. So if your business is going to be located downtown, in actual office you will put there. If it's going to be a home office, then you would use your primary residence for that address. Add to the shopping cart, you see you're going to go here for payment. So it does give you some grace period. If you give you a couple of days to actually pay your $100 fee. The information for your card, your debit card or credit card, and you authorize the payment, you see that you're going to see that check mark saying that it was successfully submitted. It was accepted. Thing has been accepted for your payment. You see you had options down the bottom for those 2 buttons where you can either print your receipt or you can go back to your dashboard. State of Virginia, so we're going to go to the IRS website and have an EIN number, an employer identification number created for him. And once we have that done, he has to decide if he's going to get a logo for his company or not, because that is an option. If he decides to get a logo, then once he have that created, he can go back to the SEC website to have that trademark approved. Once I clicked on create an account, you see right here it's asking what type of account. So what I need to do is sign up to create a business account. And then it's going to bring us over here where we can start putting in information. Identified, my husband rather, that's where we're going over here where they're going to collect the biometric data. It can take up to 10 minutes for this, where you're going to need a professional form of ID like a passport or driver's license. You're also going to have to take a self-portrait. Created an account at IRS, so now we need to get an EIN number. So we're getting ready to start this process now. So once we go here to apply for the EIN, it's given the different types of businesses here. A sole proprietor, that's going to be individual, which would be you, that's in a business, or a household employer. So it's between this or a limited liability company, which is a LLC, which is what we put your name on, the LLC. LLC is a it said this is a structure allowed by state statute and is formed by filing an article organization with the state. And so that's what we just now did at the SEC website. We have your article of organization. So we're going to click on that rather than the sole proprietor. We have to go in and tell us about the LLC. It's only one because you're yourself. And then select the state, which is going to be Virginia. All right. Then we want to tell why we want to be a single member for the LLC. Requesting the EIN. And I select because you're starting a new business. You're not hiring employees or for bank, any type of organizations. You're not buying an already established business, or what they say, active business. So I'm going to select continue. That carries us to the third step. Your first one was the legal structure. Your second one was the identifying your business. Now this next one, you're going to put in your address, and then we're going to go to additional details. We weren't going to be selling any type of alcohol or anything like that. We went through for the company details. We're not going to have he's not going to have a vehicle over the weight limit, a business vehicle. So it gets into the type of business activity and services being provided. Are you going to provide accommodations? So no hotel or motel. Construction. Are you doing any construction? Building homes, residents, building, specialty trade contractors, remodeling, heavy construction, land, site contractors. No, you're not a contractor. So nothing with finance, food service, healthcare, insurance company. So that'll be no. Oh, why is it selecting that? I need to check off that. Manufacturing, mechanical, physical, or chemical, transformation of material or substance into a new product or similar component. Real estate, rent or leasing, managing real estate, buying, selling, renting. No, that's where I fall up under real estate. Renting and leasing. Oh no, that's for automobiles and commercial, consumer and industrial goods. Retail, that'd be no. Social assistance. Okay, like for youth services, care facility, community food, no. Caring for the disabled, no. Transportation, no. You don't have a cab service, not doing any blind cab, anything like that. Warehousing, like you're storing, refrigerating goods. So that's no. Wholesale, agent, broker, importer, exporter, no. Distributor, jobber, no. So you would fall under the other category. And then tell us about your other activities. Is it going to be consulting, like be helping people out, providing information, manufacturing, or organization for religious, environmental? No. Rental, repair. That's where you would fall up under.
I guess.
Repair. All right. You want me to click repair, or you want me to click other? You're not installing something new, just replacing it.
Replacing.
So then we have to put like what are the primary goods that you'll be repairing. So that's where we can list all of that. I'm going to input that in the computer and then we'll get back with you. He's going to start a business where he wants to do like basic repairs and like replace faucets, commodes, light fixtures, things like that have already been installed. They just need to be replaced. Work on the outside of the property where he can cut grass, help maintain the property, cutting the grass, trimming branches, bushes, cutting small branches, small trees. So let me see. Whip the cars. He can do detailing where he can wash the cars on the outside, clean it on the inside, and pressure wash the outside of your home, as well as maybe your pavement if you have asphalt or cement. So those are some things that he is interested in doing. So if you're looking for someone, name of his business again is going to be LBJ Property Solutions LLC. So he decided that he's going to remain local, speaking to some people. He may possibly get some business cards, so he's going to do that first, work on local clientele before he broaden out to other areas. Okay, so look forward to those videos as well. to some of the locations that he go to. So I will help him as needed. I still have a property I'm working on where I'm flipping Mr. Long, the trailer. So we'll be helping each other out from time to time. So husband and wife, that's what you all do. Pull together, help each other out. And yes, yes, yes. So we can build together, build legacies together, build inheritance together, you know, to transfer on down to our grandchildren. And that's scripture. We're supposed to leave an inheritance for our children's children. Yes.